Hey everybody, do you think direct mail is dead because digital ads are all you're seeing these days? That's a pretty common misconception. But if you try direct mail, it might leave you a bit frustrated because poorly designed mailers often end up in the garbage, and that wastes a lot of money, never reaches your target audience. Let's face it, generic messaging simply doesn't resonate with the people who get the piece. On top of that, poor graphic design and trying to fit too much into one piece can make your audience take one look and say, no way am I going to read that. So what's the solution? To design compelling direct mail campaigns, start by creating visually appealing mailers with personalized messaging that really speaks to your target audience needs. Focus on one message and then send it more often rather than trying to do one mailer. Remember, frequency is key with direct mail. It's better to send to 5,000 households 3 times than to 15,000 once. Don't forget to use high quality materials too to make sure your mail doesn't seem like a discount offer. Another thing to avoid is just adding your branding to a generic mailer. This is pretty much always a bad idea, not the best way to really share what your business is all about. The other thing to remember is that there's not a lot of things in your mailbox these days. So if you're sending direct mail, it's likely yours is going to be the only one in their mailbox. The other beautiful thing about direct mail, rather than a digital ad when they see it and it's gone. But direct mail, they have to hold it. They have to look at it. And if they don't throw it away, that's going to lay around their house for a while and they're going to see it over and over again. So you're going to get frequency. Often we get phone calls from direct mail pieces that we sent out 6, 8 months, 12 months ago. So that just shows you how long people are keeping those things and responding on it. So with some of these strategies in place, you're going to be well on your way to driving better results from your direct mail marketing efforts. But if you want to get more information on how to get more results, comment below, DM me. I'd be glad to set up a one-on-one with you.